Good morning, children. Today we are going to do singular plural exercise in our grammar textbook. So, dear children, please open your grammar textbook. Page number 20, chapter number 2, singular plural. Now, what it is written, you can see. Let's do. Look at the picture below. Write one or many under each picture. Now over here you can see pictures are given. We have to looking at the pictures. We have to write it is one or many. Now first picture. You can see a picture of a star. Now how many stars you can see? One. So we have written one. The next picture how many stars we can see? Many. So we have written many. O-N-E-1 M-A-N-Y many. Now the next picture is of tree. How many trees do you find? One. So we have written one. The next picture, how many trees you find? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So here we have written many. What we have written? Many. M-A-N-Y many. Here you can see one boy. And here how many? Here many boys are playing. So it will be many. M-A-N-Y many. Here one store is there. O-N-E one. Here how many stores are there? Many. M-A-N-Y many. So we'll read again. One star, many star, one tree, many trees. T-R-E-E-S trees. One boy, many boys. One store, many store. Now we'll go to the next page. Tick the correct plurals. Let's practice. Tick the correct plural. Now over here you can see singular is given. Here plurals are given. But over here you can see singular one is given. But over here two nouns are given and two boxes are given. We have to try to find out which is the correct plural of the singular. So shall we start? Okay children. First is what? Horse. H-O-R-S-E horse. Over here it is said H-O-R-S-E-S horses. H-O-R-S-E-Z. So which is correct? This is correct. H-O-R-S-E-S horses. Second, B-O-Y boy. The plural B-O-Y-E-S boys. B-O-Y-S boys. So this is correct. B-O-Y-S boys. C-A-R-D card. So plural of card is what? C-A-R-D-S cards. C-A-R-D-E-S cards. Which is the correct? C-A-R-D-S cards. M-A-T-C-H match. The plural of match, M-A-T-C-H-E-S matches, M-A-T-C-H-S match. So which is the correct? Matches, M-A-T-C-H-E-S matches. Next, D-A-S-H dash. The plural of dash is what? D-A-S-H-E-S dashes, D-A-S-H-S dash. So which is correct? Dashes. D-A-S-H-E-S dashes. After H what we have add? We have add E-S. So it becomes dashes. Next, B-O-O-K book. So plural of book is what over here? B-O-O-K-E-S books. B-O-O-K-S books. So correct is B-O-O-K-S books. Next, T-R-U-N-K trunk. Plural T-R-U-N-K-S trunks. T-R-U-N-K-E-S trunk. So this is correct. T-R-U-N-K-S trunks. Brush. B-R-U-S-H brush. You can see over here S-H is been used. So what we'll write over here? B-R-U-S-H-E-S brushes. B-R-U-S-H-S. So brushes is the correct answer. B-O-X box. B-O-X-I-S boxes. B-O-X-E-S boxes. So correct is what? Boxes. B-O-X-E-S. C-L-A-S-S class. C-L-A SSS, class. And other word is what? CLASSES, classes. So this is correct. CLASSES, classes. So once again we will read all the words. Horse, horses. Boy, boys. Card, cards. Match, matches. Dash, dashes. Book, books. Trunk, trunks. Brush, brushes. Book, box, boxes. Class, classes. Now we'll go to the next page. Write the plurals. Write the plural of the singular words given below. Put the plurals ending with S in the left column and the ones ending with ES in the right column. Now what we have to do? Here mix in yellow color, you can see now here this is a box. All mixed nouns are given. Now from this we have to select which will go for S and which will go for ES. So first is what? Class. So it is classes. So it will go in CLASES, classes. Then second is Robert. So it will go in this ROBOTS, robots. Third, BUZZ, bus. So it will go in ES, BUZZES, buses. Then picture, PICTURE. So picture will go in this PICTURES, pictures. The next is house, HOUSE, house. So it will go in S, HOUSES, house. Brush, BRUSH, brush. So what is, it will go in ES. You can see S and H is there. So where S and H is there, it is, we have to add ES. So BRUSHES, brushes. ROOT, root. So ROOTS, roots. It will go in S. DISH, dish. See, you can see SH has come. So it will go in ES. DISHES, dishes. COMPASS, compass. So compass will go in ES only. COMPASS, compasses. Gift, GIFT, gift. So it will go in S. GIFTS, gifts. ARCH, arc. So it will go in ES. ARCHES, arches. ARM, arm. So it will go in S. ARMS, arms. EYE. So it will go in S. EYES, eyes. FACE, face. FACES. It will become faces. Dress, DRESS. So it will go in ES. DRESS. Last ending word is also SS. So it will go in ES. Dresses. Leg, LEG, leg. So it will go in S only because LEGS, legs it is. Because E is a vowel and G is a consonant. So only S we have to add. FOX, fox. FOX, fox will go in ES. It is foxes. TOE, toe. It will go in TOES, toes. In ES. SHOULDER, shoulder. So SHOULDER, shoulder. So it will go in S, shoulders. SHOULDERS, shoulders. So we'll repeat all the exercise together. Robots, pictures, houses, roots, gifts, arms, eyes, faces, legs, toes, shoulder. Now in ES, classes, buses, brushes, dishes, compasses, arches, dresses, fox. All this exercise in the yellow color box you can see we have divided into S and ES, which noun will go in S and which noun will go in ES. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Now over here what it is written? Write the plural of these nouns. Write the plural of these nouns. Say why you add es here to make plural. Now there is no need to give the reason why we add es because we have already learned. So we will just write the plural. Torch, Torch. Here you can see ch is there. After ch what I have written? Es. So it becomes torches. Bench. Again ch has come. So what will be the plural? Benches. Benches. Buzz. Buzz. So Buzz. Buzzes. Eyelash. 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 Eyelashes. Because sh is there in the last. You can see over here. Stitch. 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 Over here also ch is there. So what it will be plural? Sitches. Stitches. Splash. 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 Sh has come. So splashes. Splashes. What it will come? Splashes. Brush. Brush. Sh is over here. So brushes. Brushes. Match. Match. Matches. Matches. Box. Box. Boxes. Boxes. Lens. Lens. Lenses. Lenses. Glass. Glass. So what will be the plural of glass? Glasses. Glasses. Now we will read all the words together. Torch. Torches. Bench. Benches. Buzz. Buzzes. Eyelash. Eyelashes. Stitch. Stitches. Splash. Splashes. Brush. Brushes. Match. Matches. Box. Boxes. Lens. Lenses. Glass. Glasses. Now go to the next page. Use either the singular or the plural form of the words in the bracket to complete the story below. Now you can see bracket is given over here. Now we have to add with singular. We have to add singular to make it plural. So we'll start with the exercise. Use either the singular or the plural form of the words in the bracket to complete the story below. Use either the singular or the plural form of the words in bracket to complete the story. The prince went through many forests to reach the castle. Now over here forest is the forest, but what spelling I've written forest as forests. Why I've written? Because over here many is there. Many means bahut sara. So what will happen when if the word comes many, so it becomes into plural. So that word we have to change it and write it into plural. So forest ka plural is what? Forests. Now B1. But he had lost the way to the castle. Over here I have written same to same way only because over here the is there and it is not here the is there, right? So it will be only way way. As he walked, he met a near a . Now what over here? He met a fairy. Fairy ka fairy I have written over here because here a has come. You can see a over here. So it will be only fairy. It won't be fairies because a is there. So it is for single person. So it is fairy. Near a cliff. See here also a. So it will be cliff only CLIF cliff. Now I'll go to the next one. The fairy was several watch. And the plural is what of watch? Watches. Because several is what? Many. Several is what? Many. Each watch showed a different time. And answer is what? Times. 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 Each watch showed the sun, the moon and the stars at different places. Now you can see showed the sun is singular only. The moon is also singular. And the stars. STARS. Stars at different places. places, places, at different places. The prince offered all the blank rose and all the dash peach in he had to the fairy. So what is the answer? The prince offered all the roses. And why roses have come? Because all is been used over here. So roses, roses, and all the peaches he had to the fairy. So over here ch is es we have to add, and over here all is there. So what is the answer? The prince offered the roses and all the peaches. Why all is over here? Here also it will become into plural form. Now we'll go to the next page. The fairy granted 2 dash to the prince and gave him a dash. Here 2 is there, so here wishes. 2 is there, so it is plural, so wishes will come. What it will come? Wishes, wishes, wishes. Wish ka it will be wishes to the prince and gave him a watch, watch. Why? Because a is there, so it will watch will remain singular only, but here 2 is there, so wish ka it became wishes. The prince could fly across many rivers. So plural is what of river? Is rivers, 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 and field. So plural is what? Fields, fields, fields. The watch would show all the dash to the prince, paths, because all it has come. All is a plural word only, so it will be paths, paths. Do you think the prince could find the dash and get inside? So what is the answer? Castle. Castle will remain castle only. castle, castle. Right. So the fairy granted 2 wishes to the prince and gave him a watch. The prince could fly across many rivers and fields. The watch would show all the paths to the prince. Do you think the prince could find the castle and get inside? Okay, now I'll go to the next exercise. Now over here what it says, let's practice. What it is? Let's practice. Rewrite these sentences changing the underlined nouns into the plural and make other changes in the sentences as required. Now what over here it says? It says rewrite the sentences. We have to write the sentences here in the blank. Now underlined nouns are given. You can see over here underlined leaf is given. Leaf, leaf. But we have to make it into plural. So what will be the plural of leaf? leaves, leaf. But over here is what? I kept a green leaf. Now a is there. A is used for singular only. But when it change into plural, we will not write a. हम क्या करेंगे? हम a नहीं लिखेंगे. हम सेंटेंस किस तरह से लिखेंगे? I kept green leaves between 2 pages of my book. This style was too much fond of keeping leaves. So what it is said? Green leaves between 2 pages of my book. Second, I love the smell of a fresh loaf. So loaf ka what will become plural? loaves. 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 I love the smell of fresh loaves. So over here loaf I have changed it into plural loaves. In a I have removed. Over here you can see the smell of fresh loaf is only there. A is not there. A is missing. You can see over here. Now next exercise. The elf lives in my garden. The elves live in my garden. So what is the plural of elf? Is elves, elf. So plural of elf is what? elves, elves. Now we'll go to the next. My sister bought a new scarf. My sister bought new scarf. Over here a is not there. We have cancelled a over here. We have cancelled a over here. And what did we written? My sister bought a new scarf. So over here what I've written in the correction? My sister bought new scarf. My sister bought new scarf. Scarf SCARF. So plural of scarf is what? SCARVES. SCARVES. Calf. F I have removed. Okay. Next, the thief ran away swiftly. The thief ka what will be plural? Thieves. THIEVES. Thieves ran away swiftly. Our cow has one calf. Our cow has calf. Again over here one I have removed. One I have removed. And the answer what I have written, our cow has calf. CALVES. Calf. Over here CALF. Calf is there for singular. But for plural is what the answer? CALVES. 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 Now we'll read all the sentences together. I kept green leaves between two pages of my book. I love the smell of fresh loaves. The eels live in my garden. My sister bought new scarf. The thieves ran swiftly. Our cow has calf. Now I'll go to the next page. Put your things on the shelf. So what is the correction? Put your things on the shelf. CHELF. Shelf. So over here what is the plural of shelf? SHELVES. 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 Put your things on the shelf. 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 And plural is what? Put your things on the shelf. SHELVES. Shelves. Now the last one. We read about the life of a great woman. We read about the life. What you have done? Lives. LIVES. Lives of a great woman. WOMAN. So while changing WOMAN, we'll make it WOMEN. Woman. So what is the correction? We read about the lives of a great woman. Now we'll do the another exercise. Look at the singular nouns given below. Write their plural. Now we have to write the plural of the singular noun. Singular woman, one. Here is how many? Many women. WOMAN, woman. And plural of woman is what? WOMEN, woman. Singular MOUSE, mouse. And plural is what? MICE, mice. LOUSE, lows in singular. And what will write plural? LICE, lice. TOOTH, tooth. What is the plural? TEETH, teeth. FOOT, foot. FEET, feet. GOOSE, goose. GEESE, geese. CACTUS, cactus. So CACTII, cacti. DEER, deer. So plural is what? DEER, deer. KIWI, kiwi. What is the plural of kiwi is what? KIWIS, kiwis. CALF, calf. CALVES, calves. This is the singular and plural. We read once again. Woman, woman. Mouse, mice. Louse, lice. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Cactus, cacti. Deer, deer. Kiwi, kiwis. Calf, calf. So this is our singular and plural exercise which we have done. Now we'll go to the next page. In this sentence below, underline the nouns that are same in singular and plural. Write S where the noun is used in singular form and P where the nouns is used in the plural form. Now over here what we have to do? Singular and plural are given. Now where there is singular you find, so we'll write S only. But where you find plural is there, so we have to write P. Now the first one is what we'll see. Ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Now over here singular is there because it is sheep only. We know sheep is for singular also and for plural also. But ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Sheep is singular. The farmer has a flock of 20 sheep. So sheep over here we've written plural because over here 20 is given before sheep. So it is what? 20 sheep. So sheep is plural. We have to see the before word of the plural, what it has been used, so we can come to know it is singular or plural. I have a pet fish. Now here you can see a is used. So what is your singular? What is it? It is a singular. I have a pet fish. So it is singular because a is also used and it is only fish, a pet fish it is said. It is talking about only one fish, so it is singular. It is singular. This aquarium has a lot of fishes. Now we underline fish and we have written p, plural. Why? Because a lot is there. Before the fish word, a lot is been used, so it is a plural. This is a baby deer, so it is singular. Why? There is a baby deer it is said, so it is singular. There are many deer in the zoo, so this deer is plural. Why? Because here many has been used. There are many deer in the zoo. So before the noun, if there is a many, a or something like that, then becomes plural form, otherwise it remain the same only. Once again we will do Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? So it is singular. The farmer has a flock of 20 sheep. It is plural. I have a pet fish. It is singular. This aquarium has a lot of fish. It is plural. This is a baby deer. So it is singular because a baby deer it is said. There are many deer in the zoo. So this is plural, deer. Because many has been used, so many is used for बहुत सारे के लिए. So many deer in the zoo. So dear children, please complete this exercise in your grammar notebook with neat and complete this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. Write this in your grammar textbook only with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.